Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cryptocurrencies and the world of blockchain technology have always been volatile, yet ever evolving. Since its inception, Cardano has proven to be a strong contender for a positive future. Its founder, Charles Hoskinson, who was also a co-founder of Ethereum, has steadily been developing Cardano and its ecosystem into something constantly better than it used to be. He has been steadfast in his development and in his confidence in Cardano's ADA. Cardano's last update to its algorithm was the Mary update earlier in 2021, which was an improvement supported by the trading platform Binance. And the latest one that has put Cardano on the radar of many investors has been the Alonzo update, which was recently confirmed on the 13th of August. Today we're going to be looking at what Binance has said in support of Cardano, what the updates are, and what influence Binance has in the world of crypto. We're also going to be looking into the much anticipated Alonzo update that puts Cardano on a bright path for the success of its ADA coin. Thank you for tuning into our channel once again. Before we begin, guys, make sure you hit that like button and keep your notifications turned on to stay updated with our videos. And if you're new here, why not hit that subscribe button to keep you up to date with things that you need to know about the world of investing. So, Binance is one of the largest coin exchange platforms in the world. Over the years, it's made itself known as a highly reputable brand, with a wide user base, running with the promise of delivering high standards of safety, security, and reliability. Binance is known for its multi-tier framework that always allows its users high processing throughput, with the algorithm being able to handle up to 1.4 million orders per second. With Binance being one of the biggest exchange platforms, it's no doubt that having Cardano on the platform allows it to reach more users every day. Since the launch of Cardano in 2017, we've seen this crypto asset steadily climb the ranks, keeping within the top 10 cryptocurrencies. CoinDesk shows that Cardano will be down to $1.06 in July, but has climbed back up to $2.78 as of the making of this video. Will it continue going up, or will it slump back down? Earlier this year in February, around the same time that the Mary update was being implemented, Binance quickly released a statement on their blog, showing a strong support for Cardano's network upgrade and hard fork, explaining a temporary suspension of depositing and withdrawing during the update at that time. Binance was clear in saying that the deposits and withdrawals would reopen for ADA after the Mary upgrade was successfully tested and proven stable. Binance also stated out the terms for the update, claiming that trading the ADA coin would not be affected, but they would handle any technical issues that may arise for ADA investors. The Binance platform is very comprehensive, covering the trade of over 500 coins. Almost all the coins on the market are listed on the Binance platform, which makes it incredibly user-friendly and universal to use. It is worth mentioning too that Binance has its own native coin, BNB, which has been steadily holding in place at the top 10 cryptocurrencies as of today. The amazing thing about Binance is that while they also have their own coin, they don't waver in support of other coins that they see potential in. This, for instance, was demonstrated through their strong and confident support in Cardano and its Mary update that was set for completion in March of 2021. With Binance itself being a lead player in the crypto world, its support for Cardano is a sign for ADA's positive future. These factors make it more assuring for investors trading on the Binance platform, and for those who keep Cardano's ADA within their radars. Earlier we mentioned that the long-awaited update for Cardano following the Mary update was recently confirmed. The Alonzo hard fork is something that investors have been particularly interested in, as the Cardano ecosystem integrates its smart contracts functionality. Why is the Alonzo update important, and why are investors anticipating its release? Why are some speculating that ADA will hit $25? The Cardano roadmap was created to show a summary of Cardano's development over time. The overall Cardano development encompasses the Byron, Shelley, Goguen, Basho, and Voltaire eras, with each era having its own set of functionalities, developed with unparalleled research, prototyping, and development. The dawning of each era are milestones not to be missed by investors. We mentioned earlier that the Mary upgrade was the second of 3 major Cardano updates. The final update succeeding this is the Alonzo upgrade, which creates a framework and provides additional tools in facilitating smart contract functionality using Plutus. Using Plutus for the development of smart contracts paves the way for better sustainability and security for future decentralized applications. Cardano's Shelly era was implemented last year when we saw coin token locking abilities launched with the Allegra hard fork in December 2020. Following this, we saw Cardano take its next big step with its successful Mary hard fork in March 2021, which took the Cardano ledger from a single asset blockchain to a multi-asset one. These moves done by Cardano were instrumental in bringing the crypto asset and its entire ecosystem closer to the Gogoen era. Right now, Cardano users are able to utilize their custom tokens with the freedom of creating and transferring them however they wish. This has been a game changer for Cardano, as it can handle multiple fungible and non-fungible tokens. It can also now create multi-asset networks of its own, thanks to the late Mary update. One of the most interesting things about Cardano is how the hard forks and entire development roadmap have been completely designed from start to finish. Investors have been watching Cardano unfold and unveil its milestone updates over the past few years, and are now eagerly watching the long-awaited and up-and-coming Alonzo update, which introduces the smart contract functionality that is a part of the Gogoen era. The Plutus software is no doubt the driving force for leading decentralized applications. Creators of these new and future D-apps will have the reassurance that their applications will run the way that they've been programmed for. The smart contract functionalities of Plutus are currently still being tested, with the algorithm being tested by those in the Plutus Pioneers program. The expectation here is to have simple and straightforward interfaces that have barely, if any, room for error. The smart contract functionality is being designed for Cardano, and it's of outstanding measures in terms of security, and it's being mathematically verifiable. Cardano is known to have high standards when it comes to security of its technologies and for its users, so it's no surprise that its main objective is to ensure that its entire network is safe from the harsh consequences of bugs and hacks that other coins in the market have experienced. When the implementation of the Mary hard fork transpired this year, Cardano had seen a wide range of opportunities open up for itself, and its market value had increased significantly. We can safely argue that the Alonzo upgrade will also take this crypto asset a few steps forward in its development and growth. Every single day is a step closer to Cardano's Alonzo hard fork, which means that Cardano is getting closer to its much anticipated Gogoen era. Soon, developers will have the ability to test out decentralized applications within a testnet, and eventually prepare Cardano's own network for the launch of long-awaited smart contracts. The smart contract functionality is quite fundamental in the development and growth of Cardano. This is because once these are implemented within the system, projects and developers will then be able to utilize the Cardano blockchain to levels they haven't been able to before. The Alonzo upgrade is sure to see Cardano become more complex, and an increase in interest among investors is not likely. The upgrade will then provide more services to users, which means that everyone is likely to benefit from the wider range of possibilities and opportunities. Cardano's smart contracts are designed to increase convenience to users, developers, companies, and businesses, all while maintaining a high standard of security and quality. Cardano's Alonzo upgrade will make available a whole variety of solutions and applications, from DeFi apps, NFT services, crowdfunding, decentralized exchanges, blockchain-based remittances, and more. Why should these be factored in and weighed in as important? And what does this have to do with Binance? Well, we could go on and create a whole list, but instead we can safely say that all these solutions that the Alonzo upgrade will offer are a milestone for the Cardano blockchain ecosystem. We've seen Binance show its support for Cardano and the Mary update during its release in March 2021, so it's not going to come as a surprise if and when Binance shows its support for this much-awaited Alonzo update. Binance shows one of the fastest growing Cardano exchanges in the world. The exceptional engine of Binance that allows up to 1.4 million orders per second makes it an influential platform in the world of crypto. With Binance being one of the biggest platforms for coin exchanges, the fact that they have confidently supported Cardano shows big potential for Cardano's ADA. Having Binance be as credible, secure, and accessible as it is definitely a huge gain for Cardano to be on it, as the number of exchanges can easily increase, which can thus lead to a rise in value. Cardano took third place, overtaking Binance in the last month. But as of today, based on CoinMarketCap, Cardano is in fourth place after Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. However, do keep in mind that the crypto world and world of investing are very volatile, and changes happen very quickly. Having Binance support Cardano is definitely something investors should be taking seriously, as these are two very serious and successful contenders in the crypto market. Do you think Cardano's ADA is going to continue to rise with its up-and-coming Alonzo upgrade? Will Cardano eventually hit $25 or potentially even higher in the future? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And while you're here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.